Hello, everyone. Good morning, guys.
Halo,
Morning, bro.
Halo, good
halo
morning,
pagi, bro.
bro.
Guys, welcome back to our class again. How is it going, guys? Is everything
Yes.
okay?
Everything
Okay.
okay.
Bro,
Okay.
do you have breakfast today, bro?
Of course, I had my breakfast today. Thank you for asking. That was nice.
Okay.
Oh, great, everyone. So, guys, welcome back to our class again, everyone. And today is our second day, minggu kedua
Yes.
kita, guys. Yeah, not minggu kedua ya, the second day, hari kedua kita, and the first week today. And we just continue learning anyway. And yesterday we just talked about introductions. That was yesterday topic. And today would be the new one. We're going to discuss and talk about culinary and food. Ya guys ya. And today we start to have a breakout room. Hari ini kita mulai breakout room guys ya. So I will divide like a room. I just make it more than 5 rooms. One room will be available for 5 people, 5 members. So you can just discuss about that on the breakout room. Before we start the class, like in the morning, I have given you the information about the topic that we are going to talk about. Jadi kan Bro Vicky udah kasih topiknya ya, yang teman-teman dapat atau bisa gunakan untuk diskusi ketika di breakout room nanti. Okay, so you can just use it for discussion later, everyone. Okay, so guys, anyway, kita buka dulu kelasnya ya sambil nunggu yang lainnya. So guys, good morning and welcome back to our class again with Speaking Partner.
We
Are the best
The best
partner.
partner.
Okay, what's
We are the best.
password?
Mama.
Thank you so much, everyone. That's it, everyone. When I say what's password, you can just answer smile. Ada gerakannya ya. That's good. I think it's
Smile.
fine. Smile. Apa passwordnya? Senyum. Smiling is really good, everyone. Yep, that's it good. Okay. Well, guys, so here we go. Hey, guys, what day is today, everyone?
Today is
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
It's a Tuesday.
Day.
You're right, it's Tuesday, and that's our second day. Okay, and we just continue learning for this time, everyone. Okay, but before we jump to the next, I would like to all share. And Sis Punky, how is it going?
I'm great.
Oh, great job.
Thank
So
you.
you must be great today. Sounds great. And anyway, how is the weather over there, Sis Punky?
Um, Cloudy.
Is it cloudy?
Yeah.
It's almost the same here in my place, actually. So I hope we will get it rainy today. Well, this Punky, have you had a breakfast?
No, not
No,
yet.
not
Yes,
not
just
yet.
a cup of coffee,
A
black
cup of
coffee.
black coffee. Okay, original coffee though. And nice, this Punky. Thank you so much. A great
Thank
day.
you
Thank
for
you so much.
asking me.
Sure. Have a great day, Sis Punky. Well, what about others, guys? I want to go with for the man here, guys. Hold on. Starts the man here. Oh, we got it. We have Bro Jamal. I think Bro Jamal still have something to do. Is that right, Bro Jamal? Kayaknya masih sibuk nih. Okay, take your time, Bro Jamal. Gak apa-apa, Bro Jamal, lanjutin, Bro.
Halo
Alright.
bro,
Halo, Bro Jamal. Is
lagi
everything okay?
lagi kerja laporan bro,
Oh,
tapi tetap
you still
terus
join the
menyimak.
class? Oh, great
Yes,
job.
oke sip.
Keep it up, Bro Jamal. Keep it up, yeah. Give your best, bro. And I do appreciate it. You still join the class, bro. Take your
Oke,
time.
thank you bro.
Most welcome. Okay, guys, so let's go on, guys. Today we have a new topic that's butter food. Okay, it's a food. Look at this, everyone. The topic is about the food and culinary. Don't forget, everyone, when you want to pronounce food, makanan is like food. D-nya kayak ada letupannya. Food.
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 It's really important to talk like this. It's because we can make a difference between food, makanan, dan food, telapak kaki. So just be careful of it. I want to eat food. Nanti, kenapa mau makan telapak kaki? No. So, it's the food. Food.
Food.
Food. Ada suara t. Itu minimal kita sendiri yang bisa mendengar. Kita nggak perlu bilang kayak food. Food. No, just say food. Normal aja. Tapi minimal ya, kita sendiri yang bisa mendengar. It's a food. Food. Gitu, guys. Oke. Makanan, ya, guys, ya. Oke. And I would like to ask you this time, everyone. So, what about, hold on. Oh, we have Sis Vero. Sis Veronica. Hello, Sis Vero, Sis Nika. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, Sis
How
Vero.
are you, everyone?
Okay, you're doing great, Sis Veronica. Thank you for asking for all. Sis Veronica, I have a questions. By the way, look at that. What comes up to your mind when someone says about culinary? Apa sih yang muncul di pikiran Sis Vero nih ketika orang-orang itu bilang kuliner? It is about food, flavor cita rasa, teman-teman, and or nutrition. What do you think, Sis Vero?
First time is flavor.
Flavor first. Why? It
Yes,
must be flavor.
first. The nutrition is come late.
Late.
It's
Oh.
not be. It will be obey.
Oh, okay.
Especially when right now when we eat something because of the apa tuh namanya yang lagi hype gitu loh. Apa
Okay,
sih
the final
sebutannya?
things. Okay. The next the
FOMO,
final
FOMO.
Oh yeah, FOMO. Okay. Yes, the viral food and we
Viral
we
food
just
and-
follow it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. So good, says Fredo. So it means
Okay.
the first thing that comes to your mind when someone says about culinary, kalau dengar kuliner, is about the flavor. Not about the food first, but the flavor. Cita rasa dulu nomor satu ya. All right, it's great. Thank you so much, Sis Vero. And that's really cool. What about others, Warren? I want to go with, what about Uma? Uma, watch your time. Uma? Is Uma? What about you? What come up to your mind when someone says about culinary? It's about the food,
Ini
flavor,
sama
or
sih,
nutrition?
flavor
same?
juga.
It's the
Yes.
flavor as well? Oh.
Ya.
So what about the second? After the flavor, the second should be food or nutrition? What do you think for you?
Maksudnya gimana?
Ya, setelah flavor, cita rasa, itu food dulu atau nutrisi dulu nih kalau mau cari kuliner nih?
Nutrition.
Nutrition.
Because
Okay.
I'm diet.
You are on
So,
diet. Okay.
Ya.
That's
Jadi
good.
ini nutrisi
So,
dan rasa sih.
the nutrition and the flavor first.
Okay.
Okay, great. Thank you so much, Uma. Okay, maybe everyone has their own things about it. Maybe, when I have a culinary, the first thing that I want to find, that should be flavor. Cita rasa dulu nih nomor satu. And food, maybe makanannya apa, baru nutrisi di belakang. Or maybe nutrition first, that could be. Nutrisi dulu nih, karena maybe you are on diet, or maybe it's because you want to just consume healthy food. Is it good? All right, everyone. Okay, well, the next part, everyone, we're going to watch the video. Karena di basic 2 ini kita ada belajar ini visual atau video juga, teman-teman. So, come on, everyone.
Kemarin udah
I will-
pernah ambil ya belum?
We are going to talk about this, everyone. Coba teman-teman perhatikan apa yang didiskusikan di video tersebut. Or maybe we can get the information from that video. Okay, so watch that video and discuss about it later. Here we go. It's the video, everyone. They talk about food and culinary. Okay, wow. Okay, guys, look at this. 1, 2, 3, go, and let's go.
What kind of food do you like?
I like a bit of everything, really. I grew up in the UK and you can get food from all over the world there. My mum's cooking is a combination of different cuisines, a bit of French, a bit of Italian, a bit of Indian, and so on.
What's British cuisine like? I know about fish and chips, but there must be more.
There is, but not that much. There are a few famous dishes like shepherd's pie or Sunday roast, but most people eat a mix of things. What about you? What food do you like?
I'm half Spanish, so when I was young, we ate a lot of Mediterranean food at home. Now I live in Berlin, and it's a pretty cosmopolitan place. So you can get all kinds of food, like the UK, I suppose.
I've never really had much Spanish food. Is it similar to Italian?
In some ways, yes. They both use a lot of fresh ingredients, and there's a lot of seafood, salads, and so on. Pasta isn't so common in Spanish cooking, though.
What are some typical Spanish dishes? I'd be interested to try some.
I guess paella is quite well known. My personal favorite is a dish called albondigas, which is meatballs in a tomato sauce. It's simple, but so tasty.
Sounds good.
Here's a question. Do you know the difference between the words cuisine, dish, and meal? Cuisine means the kind of food you find in a specific country or culture. For example, you have Chinese cuisine, French cuisine, local cuisine, and so on. Cuisine means something like cooking style. You can use the word food or cooking in the same way. So you can say Chinese cuisine, Chinese cooking, or Chinese food. The meaning is very close.
A dish means something which is cooked or prepared. Usually, a dish is made from different kinds of food. A meal is food eaten at a specific time. Most people eat 3 meals a day: breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We often hear English learners make mistakes with these 3 words, so be careful with them.
In the dialogue, you heard how to talk about different cuisines and dishes which you like. Look at some questions you heard. Think about how you could answer these.
When you answer these questions, try to be detailed. For example, don't just say, Vietnamese food is delicious. Give some more details. Say what kind of dishes are the best, or try to explain why you like it. For example, you could say, Vietnamese food is delicious because it uses fresh ingredients and it's a little bit spicy, which I like. Okay? Pause the video and try to answer the questions now.
All right, so those are the video. Yeah, this is the video, guys, about culinary or food. Yeah, everyone. Okay, so when we got the question and discuss about it, try to make it detailed. Like, what kind of food do you like? Misalnya, guys, makanan apa yang kamu suka? Biasanya kita menjawabnya, I like this food, I love fried rice, I like apa tuh makanannya. But actually teman-teman bisa dikasih atau jauh lebih detail. At least I like fried rice. Kenapa? Because the taste is so delicious and the others. At least setidaknya kasih alasannya ketika teman-teman menjawab. Oke? Bisa supaya kita menjawab detail, gak hanya apa makanan favoritmu? Makanan favorit saya itu nasi goreng, gitu aja. No, tapi makanan favorit saya itu nasi goreng karena nasi goreng rasanya enak. Itu, bahasa seperti itu. You can say that. Make it detailed and complete. Okay? Well, guys, so let's get started to discuss about the video. Setelah kita menonton video, guys, what information did you get from that video? But guys, the difference between the first, ada yang namanya cuisine. Cuisine. Guys, what is cuisine? Apa tadi, guys? Cuisine?
Masakan.
Ya, masakan apa?
Masakan ciri khas daerah tertentu.
Khas daerah, iya.
Yes.
Atau teman-teman
Hidangan
bisa bilang cuisine itu makanan khas, hidangan khas juga boleh. Makanan khas, makanan tradisional itu adalah cuisine. Cuisine, yeah. You can say Indonesian cuisine, berarti makanan khas Indonesia. So actually teman-teman juga boleh bilang Indonesian food, Indonesian cooking is okay. But the common just say cuisine. Itu makanan khas, makanan tradisional, gitu guys ya. Is cuisine, teman-teman. And the next part we have dish. What about dish, guys? What is it?
Hidangan ya.
Hidangan, iya. Kalau ini baru hidangan, guys. Hidangan.
Belum
Hidangan
sebentar.
makanan. Ini adalah hidangan makanan, teman-teman. Jadi kalau ada satu piring, itu kan di dalamnya ada, di sana ya guys, di piring itu ada nasi, ada lauk, ya guys ya, ada sayur, ada sebagainya, itu hidangan makanan, gitu guys ya. Ya. Jadi dish itu kumpulan dari beberapa makanan food gitu guys ya. Nah, itu tinggal disantap, dihidangin tuh, itu namanya dish. Oke? Nah, And then what about meal? What is meal, guys?
Snack.
Next. Is that right?
Makanan ringan.
Meal, makanan ringan. Tadi di video dibilang meal itu lebih ke specific time.
Cemilan.
Makanan yang dimakan sesuai waktunya. Makanya di sini ada 3. Yang pertama ada sarapan apa, guys?
Breakfast.
Breakfast. Ada lagi makan siang apa?
Lunch.
Lunch. Kalau makan siang gratis, nggak jadi, guys. Oke. Kalau ini, guys, makan malam apa, guys?
Dinner.
Iya, gitu, guys. Nih, sebagai anak kos nih, anak kos nih. Oke, jadi kan suka gabungin satu nih, guys ya, antara makan siang dan makan pagi atau sarapan. Apa nih, guys? Brunch. Ya, brunch. Iya nih, guys. Brunch itu breakfast and lunch ya, guys. Dijadiin satu. Nah, itu meal. Meal itu lebih ke specific time teman-teman makan. Gitu, guys ya. Ada breakfast, lunch, dinner, and brunch. Breakfast and lunch. Itu teman-temannya. Oke, that's it. And anyway, ini adalah informasi kita dapat dari sana nih. Ada cuisine, makanan khas. This hidangan makanan tinggal santap aja. Di dalam hidangan itu ada beberapa makanan, teman-teman. Lauk pauk dan sebagainya. Meal itu lebih ke specific time kita makan sesuatu. Oke? Got it, everyone ya. Kalau food, teman-teman, food itu lebih general, teman-teman. Lebih umum nih. Ya makanan artinya. Makanan, tapi lebih makanan umum. Apapun ya, kayak jajanan, itu snacks, itu juga dibilang food. Oke. Entah itu makanan manusia atau makanan hewan. Teman-teman, makanan kucing, namanya apa? Cat?
Cat food.
Cat food. Ya, cat food itu adalah makanan kucing, guys. Gak mungkin cat dish. We can also say cat meal. Oke? Itu, guys. Makanya kalau food itu lebih general, lebih umum gitu, guys ya. Oke, apapun jenis makanannya. You can just say food, actually. Itu, teman-teman. Got it, everyone, ya? So, guys, this is the information about this. So, let's have discuss again about this topic. And I want to go with Sarah. Hello, Sarah. Sarah, are you still working? Sarah, could you turn on your microphone, please? Wow. Sarah, I will ask you the question. Dibuka mikrofonnya. Sarah, can you cook? Masak kali Sarah.
I can.
Oh, good job. Anyway, Sarah, do you like any specific cuisine you like? Makanan khas yang suka banget nih. What's that?
Maybe Indonesian cuisine, especially
What's that?
from Raha or Buton area.
Oh, what's that? What's the name of the food? What's the name of the food?
Lapa-lapa.
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 Oh, that's okay. So you love it.
And wrapping coconut leaf.
Oh, that's
And
okay.
then bull.
Wow. That's good. Thank you so much, Sarah, for nice. Okay. Sarah, do you have any comfort food? It's like your favorite food, actually. Do you have it? Sarah?
Apa artinya, bro?
Yeah. Do you have any comfort food? Comfort itu kayak nyaman, makanan nyaman nih, atau makanan favorit Sarah, maksudnya gitu. It's a comfort food. Do you have it? Sarah?
Maaf, bro, boleh ulang soalnya putus-putus. Do you comfort
have?
Apa artinya?
Comfort itu artinya nyaman. Nah, kayak makanan nyaman, maksudnya kayak makanan favorit Sarah. It's like your favorite food, Sarah. Do you have it?
I do.
Oh, what's that? What is your favorite food?
Ikan palmara.
Oh, okay.
Palmara tuna apa?
It's a fish?
Sorry.
Okay.
Jaringan
That's
tidak bagus.
Iya, Sarah
Yes.
putus-putus tadi. Okay, it's okay, Sarah. Okay, yeah, seafood. Okay, it's okay, Sarah. Thank you so much. Tadi putus-putus ya suara Sarah. It's okay. Maybe it's because of the connection, Sarah. That's all right. Okay, what about the man here? The man. I want to go with Bro Danny. Bro Danny, what about you, Bro Danny? Bro Danny, bro,
Yeah,
can
Bro
you
Vic.
cook, bro? Hey, why are you laughing? Okay.
I just
Can you
like
cook?
cook, Bro Vic.
You don't like cook, but you
Yeah,
just love
don't like
eating.
cook.
Is that right, Bro Danny?
Yeah.
Okay. Ya, gak suka masak tapi suka makan. It's good. The same with me, bro.
Yes. I
Okay.
like.
Well, anyway, Bro Danny, do you like any specific cuisine that you always eat, maybe? The
Yeah,
cuisine.
I have. I like
What's that, bro?
cuisine about vegetable.
Oh, vegetables?
Yeah, vegetable.
Ah,
The name is Mandai.
Mandai.
Yeah,
Oh,
Mandai. Mandai is cuisine from Borneo.
Borneo. Oh, I
Yeah,
see. And
it's
that's from
like
vegetables.
yeah, soup and vegetable.
Oh, I see. So that must be so delicious, Bro Danny. Well, Bro Danny, do you have any comfort food? The food that
Yeah,
you really like? Your favorite?
comfort grilled fish, Bro Vic.
Oh, grilled fish. Oh, I
Yeah.
see. That must be great, Sis Danny. Bro Danny. Great job, Bro Danny. Thank you so much, guys. So the simple
Thank you, Bro
conversation in the
Vic.
beginning we just talk about. Okay. And go on. Kita lanjut nih, guys. The main topic for today. I have some vocabularies about this, everyone. Okay, yang pertama kuliner. Kuliner in English, you can just say, yang pertama guys, culinary. Teman-teman boleh bilang atau baca culinary. Okay, it's okay. You want to pronounce that one. Or you want to say culinary. Juga boleh dibaca kayak gini guys. Dovitus bacanya, kalau baca di atasnya sini ya. Culinary. It's okay. Culinary boleh, culinary juga boleh. Both of them are correct. Semuanya benar teman-temannya. Culinary, culinary. That's okay. And then makanan is food. Minuman, teman-teman boleh pakai drink. Drink itu bisa berupa noun kata benda dan juga kata kerja. Minum. Meminum itu guys ya. Drink. Kalau minumannya itu sendiri sebenarnya teman-teman boleh juga pakai yang namanya beverage. Look at it cara bacanya guys. Beverage. Ya. Beverages. Kalau minuman banyak ya beverages. Kalau minuman satu aja just say beverage. Beverage. Itu teman-teman. Dibacanya ya. Oke. Hidangan khas tadi guys. This is cuisine. Bacanya gini nih. Kue. S-nya itu suaranya kayak Z gitu. Lebih tebal. Not cuisine. Tapi cuisine. 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 Gitu guys. Oke. Ini adalah makanan khas atau hidangan khas tadi. Kita pelajari tadi. Oke. The next part we have rasa. Rasa is like the taste. How is the taste? Gimana rasanya? The taste is so delicious. Gitu guys ya. Taste. Bacanya gini. Taste. Nah, kalau cita rasa kan banyak teman-temannya. Cita rasa is flavor. Flavor. Ini guys ya. Flavor. Baca ingat F sama V itu beda. F itu tipis. Flay. Kalau V itu tebal. Flavor. And then guys, flavor. Cita rasa itu banyak ya teman-teman. The first ada yang namanya asin. How do you say asin in English? Apa asin guys?
Salty.
Salty. Guys,
Salty.
that would be better. Teman-teman bacanya is not salty. Tapi hanya dibaca suara O. Iya. Salty. Manis apa guys?
Sweet.
Kayak siapa nih?
Kayak saya.
Like me.
Oke, boleh. Oke, great job. Oke. Wow, guys, gurih.
Savory.
Savory. Nah, teman-teman
Savory.
boleh baca kayak gini. Savory. Boleh baca savory, boleh. Atau lebih bagus teman-teman bacanya savory, langsung free, ringkas gitu. Savory. Ya. Pahit apa guys?
Bitter.
Bitter. Sama ya.
Bitter.
Kita nggak boleh bilang bitter, that's it bitter. Kayak apa nih guys?
Pak,
Bitter.
omongannya dia tetangga.
Omongan tetangga. Kayak
Kayak
kehidupan. Aduh guys.
neighbor.
Oke, it's a bitter, pahit. Gurih, gurih itu ada dua teman-teman. Normalnya kita pakai savory. Itu standarnya teman-teman. Kalau teman-teman pengen agak gaul nih, biar kayak wah gaul man. So you can say umami. Umami. Iya. Ini dibaca y ya. You gitu. Umami. We cannot say umami. Umami. Pedas, how do you say pedas in English? Spicy. Ya. Enak. Enak itu apa, guys? Tasty. Teman-teman boleh tasty, boleh delicious juga boleh. Ya, guys ya. Yummy, oke, boleh. Tasty. Itu sama. Sama aja teman-teman, itu ungkapan rasa bilang enak gitu ya. Boleh teman-teman pakai tasty, it is so yummy, delicious. It's up to you. Sama aja di situ tuh bilang enak, teman-teman. Banyak ya. Oke. Kayak kita nih, guys. Mantap. Enak gitu ya. Bahasa banyak ya. Bahasa Inggris juga ada, guys. It's the same. Alright. Oke. So, the next part, guys, teman-teman. Ini sudah ya untuk flavor. Maybe yang belum itu ada asam, guys. Asam. What is asam in English?
Sour.
Iya, guys. Sour. Sour. Ini adalah apa, guys?
Sour.
Asam.
Asam.
Oke, that's it. Sour. Ada lagi teman-teman, maybe asin sudah ya tadi, ya kan? Salty. And then kalau amis, what is amis, guys? Amis? What? Fishy. Iya, dari kata fish. Fish kan ikan nih. Ya guys ya, tambah i aja. Fishy menjadi amis. Amis nih guys, baunya ya maksudnya, baunya amis gitu guys. At the next part we have like panas, pasti teman-teman udah tahu ya, panas is hot. What about ini guys? Alot guys, what is alot?
Rubbery.
Ya guys, it's rubbery. Bacanya rubbery. Itu alot. Alot teman-teman. Oke. Kalau ya kenapa
Kalau
guys?
bedanya apa? Beverage sama drink itu apa sih?
Sama. Oke. Beverage itu noun, kata benda. Itu minumannya. Kalau drink itu bisa dua. Bisa minuman juga diartikan. Bisa minum kata kerja. Jadi teman-teman mau bilang gini, saya minum sebuah minuman gitu ya. Biar bacanya tidak gini, I drink a drink, gitu guys. Sebenarnya benar juga, I drink itu benar. Drink yang pertama itu kata kerja, minum. Kalau a drink, sebuah minuman gitu ya. Boleh. Tapi akan lebih baik teman-teman, I drink a beverage. Atau langsung aja disebutin nama minumannya. I drink a coffee. That would be better. Gitu. Oke? Banyak? Oke, Mas welcome. Lanjut guys. Teman-teman berair nih, kayak buah ketika dimakan, wah berair banget. Itu apa guys? Juicy. Iya, bahasanya juicy ya. I-nya nggak usah dibaca. Jadi ada tapi nggak dianggap. Ya guys ya. Oke, ada nggak dianggap. Kayak siapa nih? Oke. Nah, this is juicy guys. Ini adalah berair. Berair. I-nya nggak dibaca ya. Juicy, not juicy. Okay. Ya, teman-teman. And the next part, you want to say like bitter? Bitter sudah ya. Oke. Oh iya, teman-teman gosok dulu. Gosok apa gosok, guys?
Burn.
Overcook.
Ya, teman-teman boleh bilang overcook. Overcook itu boleh, itu bahasa kitchen ya, atau bahasa dapur ya, chef gitu guys. Tingkat kematangannya gitu ya. Oke. Nah, atau bahasanya anak chef seperti itu. But in general, mau bilang gosong saja, you can just say burn, kayak kebakar gitu guys. Oke, gosong. Burn. Kalau teman-teman mau bilang gini nih, tidak ada rasa. What is that?
Apa ya?
Plain. Guys, it's a plain. Plain itu tidak ada rasa. Gak ada rasanya, guys. Oke, benar-benar gak ada rasa. Berarti hambar ya, gak ada rasanya di sini. Tapi kalau hambar, rasanya itu kemana-mana, ya guys ya. Itu baru tasteless. Ya, tasteless. Ya, guys. tasteless.
Nggak bisa.
Nah, di sini itu adalah hambar. Itu bedanya teman-temannya. Kalau hambar itu ada rasanya, cuma nggak tahu arahnya kemana rasanya, nggak karuan. Kalau plain benar-benar tidak ada rasa, teman-temannya. Okay. And the next part, guys, you wanna say, oh, renyah, makanan kayak makan keripik itu renyah. What's that?
Crunchy.
Crunchy. Iya, renyah is a crunchy.
Sama
Crunchy
dengan
itu
garing
renyah.
itu ya, bro.
Iya, kayak garing, renyah itu guys ya. Crunchy. You can say that one. Kalau bau guys, baunya itu tidak sedap. Ini
Smile.
bau ya. Ini tidak sedap.
Not. Smell not.
Yaki.
Oh,
Yaki. Ya, yaki
Yaki.
itu baunya nggak sedap, tidak sedap.
Seperti contohnya seperti apa? Apa pete gitu?
Oh, boleh. Ya, apapun yang di situ teman-teman nggak sedap ya, pete, jengkol. Oke, ya.
Enak loh.
Ya. Enak guys. Aduh, pusing belum bikin makan tuh guys. Yuki. Is yaki. Bacanya tulisannya yuki, bacanya yaki. Teman-teman ya.
Yaki.
Oke guys, that's it
Basi,
everyone.
bro, basi.
Okay. Basi. Oh ya, basi. Guys, do you know what is the meaning of basi? Ini
Yaki.
makanan lo ya. Makanan basi. What's that? Oh, hold on guys. Apa ada yang tahu guys teman-teman? What is basi?
Apa ya?
Anyone?
Oh,
Okay. It depends teman-teman. You can say stale. Expired itu lebih ke expired itu lebih ke ini ya, teman-teman. Gak bisa digunakan lagi expired gitu guys ya. Stale, benar banget guys. Stale itu lebih sering dipakai untuk bilang basi. Oke, basi. Basi ini makanan loh ya guys ya. Oke, that's one. It's a stale. Boleh. Oke. Oke, habis teman itu ya. Oke, coba teman-teman terukan Bro Vicky semua nih. Oke, so tetap di mute mikrofonnya, jangan dibuka ya. Nanti kalau dibuka guys mikrofonnya suaranya tabrakan, gak jelas. Jadi di mute aja. Tapi tetap terukan Bro Vicky yang keras. Guys, repeat after me. Start from the first. Culinary. Food. Beverage. Cuisine. Taste. Flavor. Salty. Sweet. Savory. Bitter. Good job. Umami. Spicy. Tasty. Ini bukan tasty ya, ada i-nya guys. Taste. Taste gitu. Okay. The next guys, ini ya tambahannya sour. Kita nggak boleh bilang sour ya, sour gitu. Lanjut, fishy. Rubbery. Juicy. Burnt. Plain. Tasteless. Okay. Crunchy. Yucky. Stale. Wow, great job, everyone. Thank you so much, guys. So, guys, those are the vocabulary. So, I ask you to practice. Raise your hand to practice. Okay. It starts from sis for men. Ya, kenapa, guys? Okay.
Bro,
Yuk.
kalau
Ya,
rasanya biasa aja itu apa ya?
rasanya
Di-
biasa aja. So, you can just say, the food is so-so, gitu aja. The food is so-so or nothing special.
Special.
Yeah, nothing
Not bad
special.
ya.
Yeah, you can say that one. Okay, biasa saja gitu ya. Okay, lanjut guys. Ini ya Bro Vicky angkat tangan dulu ya for the man. Maybe I want to go with Bro Jamal. Bro Jamal nih. Let's go Bro Jamal.
Ya,
Let's
bro.
go bro. Yeah, please read that bro. Ini ya culinary until tasty. I need that.
Okay. Culinary.
Lanjut.
Food.
Mhm.
Favorite.
Good.
Question. Taste. flavor, salty, sweet, savory, either, umami, spicy, tasty.
Wow, great. Thank you so much, Bro Jamal. So great to
Thank you,
learn
bro.
that. Okay, good job. Okay, what about the next? I want to go with Sis Nur Hayati. Sis Nur Hayati. Yang ini, yang tambahannya ya, yang biru ini. Sis Nur Hayati. You ready? 1, 2, 3,
Ready.
go. Okay.
Shower.
Sour.
Shower.
Hmm?
Fishy. Rubbery. Juicy. Burnt. Plain. Tasteless. Crunchy.
Tasteless.
Tasteless. Crunchy.
Good.
Yucky.
Yucky.
Yucky. Style.
Good job. Thank you so much, Nur Hayati. So good. All right.
Thank you
What
so
about? Okay, Sis Mauliana. What about you? Is it culinary until tasty? Let's go.
Culinary. Food. Beverage. Cuisine.
Hmm?
Taste. Flavor. Salty. Sweet. Savory. Bitter. Umami. Spicy. Tasty.
Oh, great job. Thank you so much, Sis Mauliana.
Thank you,
So
bro.
good. Anytime. Sis Hida. What about you, Sis Hida? Take your time. Come on. It's a sour until stale, okay? Let's go.
Okay. Sour, fishy, rubbery, juicy, burnt, plain, tasteless, crunchy, yucky, style.
Hell, good job. Thank you so much, Sis Hida. Okay, guys, so we have done talking about it, and I want to know remember about this, and I will close it this time. Wow, guys. Guys, what is kuliner in English? Apa kuliner tadi, guys?
Culinary.
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 Okay. Kalau hidangan khas, what is that?
Cuisine.
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 Okay. Cuisine. Cuisine. Good job. Kalau makanan apa nih?
Food.
Minuman.
Beverage.
Favorite. Makanya kalau teman-teman ada usaha makanan minumannya F&B. Bukan F&D, makanan dan drink gitu ya, food and drink, tapi food and beverage. Nah gitu guys. And then what about cita rasa? Oh.
Flavor.
Cita rasa is flavor. Kalau rasa baru taste. Iya. Guys, what is asin in English?
Salty.
Salty. Kalau gurih,
Savory.
boleh pakai savory, boleh pakai umami, that's okay. Iya. Kalau manis apa nih?
Sweet.
Sweet. Okay. And then pahit,
Bitter.
pedas,
Spicy.
spicy. Enak teman-teman. Yeah. This is tasty. Yeah, tasty. Okay, guys, the next case, I ask you to close your eyes. Ditutup matanya nih, guys. Close your eyes. Tutup matanya ya, nggak boleh ngintip, guys. Close your eyes. Guys, how do you say amis in English? Amis.
Fishy.
Okay, fishy. Kalau asam apa tuh?
Sour.
Okay. Berair.
Juicy.
Okay. Kalau alot nih, guys.
Rubbery.
Ya. Ini guys, gosong.
Burn.
Hambar. Tasteless. Yang kebalik hambar itu tasteless. Kalau tidak ada rasa, renyah.
Crunchy.
Tidak sedap,
Yaki.
Yaki.
Spesial.
Iya,
Yaki.
yaki tidak sedap guys.
Yaki.
Tidak sedap itu
Not
yaki. Iya.
delicious.
Oke, basi kalau basi?
Stale.
Hell. Okay. Good
Oh
job,
my
guys.
God.
Open your eyes, guys. So
Beautiful.
good. Okay. Well, guys, so those are the vocabularies today about food and culinary. Guys, anyone has a question? Ada pertanyaan nggak nih, guys?
Bro,
Belum bro, kenyal.
Okay. What? Hold on. Ini bentar, guys. Ini ada yang chat Bro Vicky. Bentar, guys. Oke, bentar, guys. Oke. Apa tadi, guys? Teman-teman apa? Tanya apa?
Kalau baunya menggoda seperti baunya kayaknya enak gitu, gimana ngomongnya?
Ya,
It smell.
Yeah, it
Smell
smells good. It smells good gitu. Baunya enak gitu. Oke.
kenyal bro, kenyal.
Kenyal is you can say chewy. Iya, chewy. That would be better. Ini konteksnya makanan loh ya, guys ya. Oke. Itu kayak teman-teman permen karet itu kan kenyal tuh. Ya kan teman-teman. Nah, itu makanannya. Oke, itu lebih ke chewy. Kalau kayak tekstur barang kan ada yang kenyal juga nih maksudnya. Itu guys ya. Nah, itu boleh kayak elastik gitu ya. Chewy ini.
Tulisannya.
Ini guys. Chewy. Chewy itu kenyal ya. Kenyal. Chewy, kenyal
Kalau
guys ya.
lembek bro, kalau lembek.
Oke, what is lembek? Ini makanan juga ya? Iya. Yang
Iya.
lembek. Oh, what is that? Anyone knows, guys?
Tape kayak tape gitu loh tuh.
Oh iya, itu lembek guys. Oke, saya actually kalau konteksnya lembek, ya ini makanan juga ya. You can just say like soft, boleh pakai soft itu guys, lembut, lembek itu konteksnya makanan loh guys ya. Oke, you can just tekstur makanan. Teman-teman boleh yang pertama pakai soft, ini juga boleh, atau pakai like a mushy. Look at this one. Ini guys, mushy juga boleh. Oke, ya ini adalah lembek. So actually the common just say soft. Oh, this is so soft, lembut ya guys ya. Sebenarnya teman-teman lagi lembek ya, you can say soft or mushy. It depends. You can say that one. Ini konteksnya adalah makanan juga.
Bro,
Gosong.
yes. How about
Gosok
that?
ini guys burnt. Ini sudah ada nih atas nih
Gosong.
burnt. Oke, ada lagi guys?
Bro,
Bro,
How about
spong cake. Spong cake.
spong cake itu makanan bro sis.
Enggak, itu kan jadi gimana kayak dari spon gitu ya. Gimana sih namanya, kan lembut gitu ya. Begitu enggak sih?
Oh, no, ini
Kue.
jadi gini, sis, bahasa Inggris itu tidak bisa diartikan satu-satu ya. Kue yang lembut nanti kayak spon gitu ya. Habis itu cake, spon cake. So actually just say soft. Oh, the cake is so soft. Itu lebih enak dan lebih sering dipakai. Oke, sis ya? Oke, kalau spon cake itu lebih ke nama ya. Nama sebuah makanan nih. Oh, makan kuenya yang lembut gitu ya. You can say that one. Itu lebih ke nama. Oke. Ya, apa lagi guys?
satu lagi bro.
Banyak? Ya. Apa?
Kalau dia hot ada ya, maksudnya itu kan spicy itu. Kalau dia hot itu
Hot lebih ke panas.
nggak bisa untuk yang terlalu pedas itu tidak bisa dikatakan hot.
No, just say spicy. Spicy is very spicy. Sampai saking spicy-nya, it makes hot to our body. It's gonna be different, Sis Rhea. Okay? Itu ya. Hot itu lebih ke panasnya. Okay. Ya teman-teman ya. Okay, that's our topic everyone that we talk about. Okay. And teman-teman, Bro Vicky bakal kasih nih karena teman-teman juga bakal butuh ini nih. Itu kayak sebuah spices. Spice itu pedas, ada spices. Spices teman-teman pernah dengar gak? Spices itu apa, guys? Rempah-rempah atau bumbu. Ya, oke. Ini Bro Vicky tulis ada beberapa ya. Karena sebenarnya rempah itu banyak banget teman-teman. Ini beberapa aja sering dipakai. Bro Vicky kirim di grup kelas guys di WA. Jangan dicek teman-teman. Itu bumbu-bumbu ya. Oke, spices. Oke. That's good one. Oke guys ya. And spongy. Spongy itu boleh dipakai juga teman-teman kalau mau bilang ini ya apa itu lembut. It's the same. Oke, teman-teman dah ya. Oke. Ya, Bro Jamal, gimana?
Yeah. How to differentiate the pronunciation of the word plan and plan? Rencana dan tidak ada.
Oh, it's the same.
Penyebutannya ya.
Sama. Rencana is rencana itu lebih ke plan, not plain. Plan.
Plan. Oh yeah.
Aja. Plan kayak planning, plan. Kalau tidak ada rasa, plain.
Plain.
Ya.
Okay, thank you, bro.
Plain, plan. Okay, that's one.
Thank you.
That's one, guys. Plane itu lebih kayak ke pesawat gitu. Airplane. Nah, pesawat nih, plane. Itu sama pengucapannya kayak tidak ada rasa. Plane. Tapi kalau rencana, plan. Oke, aman ya?
Kalau tepung, bro.
What is tepung, guys? Ini
Flour.
iya.
Flour.
Tepung.
Flour.
Flour. Iya, guys, itu tepung, teman-teman. Oke.
Sama
Oke,
dengan
guys ya.
cita rasa ya? Bacanya.
Cita rasa. No. Tepung itu adalah flour. Bacanya itu flavor cita rasa. Kalau tepung kan gini, guys. Oke, this one ya. Flour. Bacanya flour. Iya. Oke, tepung. Different. Beda ya, teman-teman. Flavor and flour. Ini bukan flower juga. Flower itu adalah bunga. It's a flower. Ya, flower. Gitu, guys. Oke, guys, gonna be enough ya, teman-teman. Nah, oke, hari ini kita akan belajar. Well done, guys. Bentar. Bro Vicky bakal share dulu ya di chat nih, teman-teman, biar teman-teman bisa pakai untuk diskusi. Nah, Bro Vicky kirim di chat obrolan teman-teman. Dah ya. Oke. Let's continue, guys. Lanjut nih. The next, we're going to have a breakout room and discuss about this. Yang pertama, teman-teman, karena ini hari pertama, teman-teman boleh percakapan atau dialog ya, kayak introduction ya. Perkenalan dulu, teman-teman, boleh nih, guys, sebelum masuk ke sini. Oke. Tell me about your family. Bahkan teman-teman juga boleh jelasin keluarga teman-teman. If you want it. Kalau nggak mau, it's okay. Teman-teman, at least I give you this topic. Teman-teman, Bro Vicky kasih topik teman-teman di grup WA. Oke. Ya, teman-teman bisa gunakan. Ini terusannya pelajaran kemarin sebenarnya, guys. Hold on, I will open it. To get know each other. Biar kita saling kenal gitu, guys ya. Kayak kehidupan kalian, tinggal di mana, what is your job, and anything. Teman-teman boleh banget diskusi pakai itu dulu. Kayak perkenalan dulu, guys ya. Biar cair nih suasananya, enak gitu. Habis sudah selesai perkenalan dulu, udah tahu semuanya, you can just go on talking about food. What is the best kind of flavor? Favorit teman-teman, cita rasa apa nih? Sweet, savory, spicy, or what? And always give the reason. Kasih alasannya, teman-teman. Give the reason. Kenapa suka itu? Is eating spicy not healthy for us? Apakah makan makanan pedas itu nggak sehat untuk kita? Kalau iya, kenapa? Kalau nggak, kenapa? Do you have any food allergy? Punya, guys, teman-teman, alergi makanan, seafood or anything? Okay. What kind of cuisine can you find near your hometown? Jenis makanan khas apa yang teman-teman bisa temukan nih di dekat-dekat tempat kalian ya, your hometown atau tempat kalian sekarang gitu aja. And then tell and promote specific food that famous in your hometown. Kayak makanan yang sangat terkenal di tempat kalian itu yang lagi viral atau terkenal sekarang ini apa nih? Coba jelasin, guys. Gitu ya. Okay, guys, we just talk about it, guys, and go on. Ingat, kita breakout room, jangan malu-malu, langsung dibuka, langsung dimulai. Paling enak ketika breakout room, at least teman-teman dibuka kameranya, biar asik ngobrolnya. Tuh, kalau teman-teman nggak bisa dibuka, ya is okay, senyamannya teman-teman. Tapi speak up semua ya. Jangan nunggu Bro Vicky, jangan nunggu diem-dieman. Oke, so langsung dimulai aja. Perkenalan dulu. Oke, I will make it the room is gonna be like this one. Langsung join breakout room, teman-teman. 1, 2, 3, go. Let's go. Good luck. I give you more time. Bro Vicky kasih tambahan waktu nanti, guys. Take your time. See you there. Sampai jumpa di sana. Oke.
Hello.
So, well, guys, welcome back to the main room. Thank you so much, everyone, for doing such a great conversation and breakout room, talking a lot about cuisine, about the food, your favorite food, and anything about that. And you talk about, what was that, guys? To know its author, your place, your job, your work, yeah, and anything about. And that was really great. Thank you so much, everyone. Okay, but anyway, today we don't have 1 minute challenge. So, the next meeting, the following meeting, we will have a class like this, everyone. It's normal way. We have the main room, we have a breakout room as well. And after that, start from tomorrow, we're going to have 1 minute challenge. After we finish the discussion and breakout room like this, I will ask one of you to have 1 minute challenge. You need to explain your discussion about with your friends on the breakout room before. In 1 minute, I give you the timer in 1 minute and you need to explain it. Everyone must be ready and I will choose it randomly. Itu untuk melatih kita speaking. Got it, everyone, yeah? And after we finish the dialogue and the feedback, the challenge, and it's time for me to give you the feedback. That's the maybe the way how to join the class speaking model basic 2. Teman-teman gitu teman-teman ya. Informasinya udah teman-teman paham ya cara belajarnya kita di basic 1 seperti itu. Okay, so guys, I think that's it for today and I want to highlight here. I still hear you when you want to say like this. Makanan. It's the same like I told you in the class previously. Nama makanan teman-teman itu nggak perlu harus diartikan dalam bahasa Inggris ya teman-teman ya. Kalau makanannya itu memang seperti itu namanya. Nama aslinya memang itu teman-teman nggak perlu diartikan ke bahasa Inggris. Kayak Bro Vicky nih, Kang Pecel. Pecel guys. Pecel is pecel. You say it's nasi pecel. It's okay. I want to eat nasi pecel. Okay. You can just say that. We don't need to say that. Maybe like we want to translate in English. No, kita nggak perlu seperti itu. Memang namanya juga pecel, teman-teman. Okay, we can just say that one. Got it, everyone ya? Ayam geprek is ayam geprek. Itu sebuah nama, teman-teman. Ayamnya digeprek, ayam geprek. Kita nggak perlu bilang kayak chicken bombs, chicken smackdown, chicken yang lainnya. Itu nggak perlu. Okay,
Nasi gudeg.
Nasi gudeg tuh, nasi apa nih? Gudeg itu gudeg-gudeg nih guys ya. Oh, no, it's the name. Nasi gudeg is the name of the food. Kita nggak perlu teman-teman ya translate gitu ya. Sama, nama original name, nama asli teman-teman itu kita nggak perlu ditranslate ya. Apapun namanya, nama daerah, kota, nama orang. Malang, Malang aja ditranslate guys. Duh, lagi Malang gitu guys ya. I'm from Malang. Gitu guys ya. Terus ditranslate gitu guys. I'm from what is? Nah, gitu no. Just say that one. Okay. So this is guys the topic. And also Bapak Slamet ya guys ya. Just say Mr. Slamet. Congratulations. Mr. Congratulations. Yeah, it's Bapak Slamet. Itu guys, intinya nama asli asal itu teman-teman sebenarnya nggak perlu di translate di bahasa Inggris atau bahasa apapun yang lain. Memang namanya itu. Oke. Nama food nih sering yang ditranslate itu guys, dipaksakan ya guys ya. Nasi pecel teman-teman bilang ini I want to eat vegetable with coconut sauce, maybe with peanut sauce with bla 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 bla, panjang banget guys. Udah nasi pecel aja. Oke. Pecel, nasi pecel teman-teman mau beli berapa sih harganya kan 10.000 ya, maybe 7.000 lah guys. Kalau di Madiun nih guys, murah banget ya teman-teman. Nah, kalau teman-teman bilangnya gini, teman-teman mau makan nasi pecel, tapi bilangnya nanti vegetables with peanut sauce with this 35.000.
85.000 itu.
85.000 ya guys ya. Beda nama aja guys, sama loh. Oke. Wow, you don't need to say that everyone. Okay, just say the name. Apa ya teman-teman ya? Nama. Nanti teman-teman kalau native dia nggak tahu, what is it? This is ayam geprek. So, what is ayam geprek? Nah, baru jelasin gepreknya itu gimana, ayamnya gimana baru gitu jadi jelasin. So we don't need to like say need chicken bombs. No, just say the name is okay. Okay, teman-teman, got it. That's it, everyone. Okay, guys, anyone has a question last time? No? Okay. Ya, ini guys ada nih digoreng setengah matang. Rare itu guys, cara makan itu banyak ya. Ada yang rare, medium gitu teman-temannya. Ada yang overcooked dan sebagainya. Itu guys ya, nama-nama tingkat kematangan ya kalau ke bahasa chef itu ya. You can say it is medium rare. Rare, it is overcooked, it is middle cooked, it's the same kayak gitu Sis Nova.
Rofik like stick.
Ya, seperti kayak makan stick gitu guys. Seperti itu bahasa. Itu memang bahasa medium rare dan sebagainya. Itu bahasa chef ya, teman-teman. Makanan khususnya. You can just say that one. Digoreng setengah matang, oke? Okay? Lagi pertanyaan guys? Udah?
Ya,
You know?
Bro.
Bro,
Ya.
kalau sekali-kali apa? Makannya
Sek-
sekali-kali.
Oh, you can say that's one. I eat it like once, sekali-kali. Berarti ya once in apa gitu. Misalnya, you wanna say saya makan sekali aja. I just eat it once. Once. Once tulisannya. Once. Itu sekali. Sekali. Oke? Teman-teman, ada lagi guys?
What
Enough?
we call tempe setengah mateng.
Hey, that's the same teman-teman. Oke, tempe. Tempe setengah matang. Yang setengah matang. Sorry guys. Bentar guys. Tempe sama teman-teman. Ini apapun makanannya, tempe is tempe ya. We cannot say yang lain. Tempe is tempe itu sebuah nama juga. Gak perlu ditranslate. Setengah matang, teman-teman boleh nih. You can say maybe the comes just say half cooked, teman-teman. Oke. Half cooked, undercooked juga boleh, atau middle, medium, is okay. Maybe kalau medium terlalu elit ya, teman-teman. Tempe setengah matang atau apapun yang digoreng setengah matang, just say it's like it's half cooked gitu aja teman-teman. Half cooked, setengah matang. Half, okay, cook. Nih, setengah matang. Setengah matang. Nih, Bro Chat di ini ya, obrolan teman-teman. Half cooked boleh, atau sebenarnya boleh pakai undercooked juga boleh untuk bilang under di bawah itu guys, undercooked, setengah matang juga. But actually just say that one untuk bilang setengah matang apapun makanannya ya. Ya guys, ada apa lagi? Satu lagi guys.
Kalau membakar, dibakar, itu pakai
Ya,
apa, Bro?
membakar ini kayak it depends ya teman-teman. Ada yang konteksnya membakar. Do you know guys, membakar ini beda ya, membakar sama manggang. So, do you know what is membakar?
Membakar
Anyone knows?
sama memanggang, nggak sama ya, Bro?
Oke. So, kalau membakar itu ya say roast. Roasting, roast gitu guys ya. Taufik itu juga nih.
Chicken
Oke.
roasted like this.
Iya, roast. Oke. Ini guys. Roast. Ini adalah membakar. Membakar, oke. Kalau memanggang apa, guys? Anyone knows? Grill. Itu lebih ke memanggang, iya.
Bro
Ini Bro
Vicky,
terus, ya sis.
I'm so sorry I asked you about out of the topic.
Okay.
When we ask 2 glass of water, itu 2 glass or 2 glasses?
2 glasses. 2 glasses of water.
2 glasses, right?
Benar, 2
Okay.
glasses. 3 glasses. Tetap gelasnya yang dihitung ya, teman-teman. Karena
Iya,
lebih
iya,
kan.
iya.
Jadi jamakin tambah es ya gelasnya. Kalau waternya tetap.
Yeah,
The
yeah,
common
okay.
mistake is 2 glass of waters.
No,
So,
because
right? Yeah.
glasses jamak sama glasses kacamata kan kayak sama gitu ya?
Oh iya, benar, memang. Glasses itu memang sebenarnya dari kaca sih itu, semuanya kaca.
Yeah.
Glasses itu bisa dijadikan kaca. Berarti kaca normalnya bukan mirror ya. Oke,
Yeah.
and then is kaca, dan juga glass itu juga kaca, gelas ya guys ya. So actually bisa dua-duanya, glasses. Ya, maybe the glasses, 2 glasses of apa gitu.
Oke, thank you, bro.
Oke,
Bro
that's good.
Vicky,
Yes, Ria.
out of topic ya. Kalau kalimat larangan itu harus pakai tenses juga nggak?
Larangan kayak don't gitu ya.
Ya, jangan lari.
Don't. It depends teman-teman. Kalau larangan itu sebenarnya ya tetap semuanya itu ikut tenses ya, sis ya, tetap. Tapi it depends on the sentence. Ada beberapa frasa itu tidak ikut tenses ya. Frasa itu tidak ada aturannya kayak ada subjek sama predikat gitu ya, sis ya. Gak seperti itu. Misalnya nih, teman-teman bedanya kayak gini aja. Kalau konteksnya itu ada yang namanya verb kata kerja, teman-teman, itu langsung don't verb 1. Semisal nih, jangan lari, berarti don't, dia apa sih ya? Just say don't run. Ya. Don't run itu bilangnya paling tepat ya guys ya. Don't run untuk bilang jangan lari. Kalau teman-teman, jangan jangan merokok.
Don't smoke.
Don't
No
smoke.
smoke.
Oke. Don't smoke. Kalau no baru diikuti sama verb ing. No smoking, no running. Beda ya. Kalau don't smoke, jangan merokok. Gak boleh don't smoking. No, kalau pakai no smoking. Baru cooking. Tapi kalau konteksnya adjektif atau adverb ya guys ya. Semisal nih, jangan malas. Malas itu kan adjektif, ada be-nya. Don't be lazy. Iya guys, don't be lazy gitu bedanya. Oke, Sis Ria? Aman?
Thank you so much,
Mau
bro.
nanya dong, bro.
Ya, satu lagi guys ya. Nanti kita
Ya.
text time banget ya.
Oke, bro. Itu kan kalau makanan kan tadi medium kayak gitu, rare gitu ya.
Ya.
Kalau misalnya tempe itu kan kayak buah apa enggak sih? Kayak ripe gitu.
Oh,
Or
itu kalau tempe itu juga makanan, Sis. Tempe
Iya,
goreng ya.
enggak. Kayak buah ripe gitu enggak?
No. Itu kalau buah sendiri ada. Ya, ripe itu
Oke,
buah.
oke.
Kalau setengah matang ya, maybe just say, maybe tadi Bro Vicky tulis half cooked, itu boleh. Sis Vero. Bro Vicky terus di chat
Oke.
obrolan teman-teman. Kelihatan kan?
Iya.
Aha,
Oh,
itu.
iya.
Half cooked. Setengah
Siap.
matang. Oke. Teman-teman ya. Okay guys, I think that's gonna be enough for this time. Kita ketemu besok ya. Jupiter, we have the new topic. We're going to talk about transportation. Dan besok, iya guys, hari ini Bro Vicky bakal buka grup kelas WA-nya untuk teman-teman English area. Jadi Bro Vicky kasih question di sana, boleh dijawab ya, boleh pakai voice note atau menulis biar writing. Teman-teman boleh diskusi apapun di sana nanti. Oke, mulai hari ini ya. Oke, well, dan juga nanti malam Bro Vicky juga kasih yang namanya tambahan kayak, guys, kosakata baru, cara baru, idiom, atau maybe slang word dan sebagainya. Oke, well, thank you so much. Use your English, everyone. Jangan ngomong bahasa Inggris ketika kelas saja. Just find the time to practice your English as well outside of the class. Oke, karena bahasa busuk terbiasa. Thank you for coming, everyone. Hari ini sama kayak Bro Vicky bilang kemarin, kata-kata. Guys, anyone wants to give it? Siapa yang mau kasih kata-kata hari ini?
Saya, Bro.
Oke, ini banyak nih guys ya ternyata. Oke, coba Bro Vicky pilih satu nih. Di sini ada Sis yang angkat tangan nih. Oke, Sis Widya, angkat tangan, raise hand, Sis Widya nih. Oke, Sis Widya. Oke, siap ya. Oke, 1, 2, 3, go. Kata-kata hari ini Sis Widya.
Hurt in privat, help in silent, blow in public.
Wow, what's the meaning?
Kalau kita terluka ya udah diam-diam aja. Kalau sehat ya kalau terluka ya kita pendam aja ke diri sendiri. Kalau sehat kita diam. Tapi kalau kita bersinar tunjukkan pada dunia.
Keep shining. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's really good, Sis Widya. I love that word. Kita ketemu besok ya. Guys, the last I say speaking partner.
We are the best.
Sports word, guys. Bye bye, guys. See you. Have a good night.
Thank you,
Bye, Sis Widya.